If you're looking for a mid-budget smartphone with an amazing camera quality that can even rival the iPhone, then you need to check out this new Nokia Flagship Killer smartphone. Rumors suggest that Nokia is about to drop an absolute beast of a phone, packing a 250-megapixel DSLR level camera, a powerful Snapdragon 8 Gen Elite processor, and all of this at an unbelievably affordable price. Yes, you heard it right, we're talking about the Nokia Titan 5G. In today's video, we'll dive deep into its full specs, price, and launch date. So let's get started. Nokia Titan 5G features breakdown. Display. This beast comes with a massive 6.9-inch Full HD Plus Super AMOLED display, with HDR10 Plus support for stunning visuals. And that's not all, you also get a 144Hz refresh rate, Gorilla Glass Armor 2 protection, an in-display fingerprint sensor, and an IP69 rating for ultimate durability. Camera setup. Get ready for a triple camera monster. The main sensor, a jaw-dropping 250-megapixel with OIS support, for ultra-sharp, shake-free shots. Plus, there's a 32-megapixel, and an 8-megapixel secondary camera. And for selfie lovers, a crisp 32-megapixel front camera to make every shot Instagram-worthy. Performance and OS. Under the hood, this phone is powered by Qualcomm's latest, and most powerful chipset, the Snapdragon 8 Gen Elite. And for software, you're getting the brand new Android 15 right out of the box. Battery life. No more battery anxiety. The Titan 5G packs a huge 7000 mAh battery, supported by 125-watt super-fast charging, and a USB Type-C Gen 3 port, meaning you spend less time charging and more time using. Price and launch date. Now talk about the launch date. Nokia's this flagship killer is set to hit the global market soon, and the expected starting price? Just around $800.